Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix card not adding on Apple Pay. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to close this page. So let me tell you that if you try to add the card and it's not working, then what you need to do, just simply have to open the setting, and first of all you have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. And after that you have to tap on general. From here you have to make sure that if you have updated your device to the latest iOS version. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down and just simply have to tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. Just simply have to reset the network setting and then try to add the card and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to make sure that if your card is supported for the international payments. Okay guys, so just simply contact with the card issuer and ask him to allow you the international payments. Okay guys, and after that check if it's working or not. Or you can also check the list of Apple Pay wallet supported cards. Okay guys, and make sure that if the card you are adding is there. Okay guys, if the card is there and you have allowed from the card issuer and still it's not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open more settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. Just simply have to reset the all setting and then force restart your device. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the Apple Pay wallet. So after that guys, you can easily add the card by tapping on this plus icon. You can add the card from here like this. Okay guys, you can also scan the card. Okay guys, tap on that and you can tap on continue and you can scan the card. If scanning is not working, you can also enter the details manually. So here you have to put the name and here you have to put the card number and you can easily add the card. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.